achiele ne achije de kodine gete sendo bila marodi e county ma Homa Bay to kiedhe manentie arita gi olal kendo yudi e udi mamoko e boma no. E apedha mane otimo kinyi makawuono bila gono yudo yedhe mopogore ko pande achiel kuom udi kata ute nindo e kunde mane gitime apedha. Jatend migawo mar thieth e county ma Homa Bay Kevin Osuri ochiwo siem ne jomibadhi ma uso yedhe mowinjo tere e ute thieth ni biro makgi giduto. Bendo medo ni yedhe muyudgo bechgi chopo milionde.
We moved in with speed and the police have been very helpful to us. You can see the DCI have swarmed the place. We have so far initially counted at least 145 cartons and much more still being offloaded. So we estimate that they could be in the neighborhoods of more than 200 cartons. So I want to categorically state that these drugs were not stolen from our health facilities. These drugs were stolen on transit to our health facilities from the warehouse in Meds, and they were headed to our health facilities. And of course, as I've explained, they were diverted. I want to send a very strong message that Homa Bay is no longer the place where we will condone theft of medicines or of supplies. That history is behind us, and we will not accept.